Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I install my wig for a long-lasting install while I actually work out during the week, okay? So you see me applying my thin layers of glue here, and then you see me pulling my lace down and putting it into place. I do thin layers initially so that I can have the flexibility to pull it back, pull it forward, do whatever it is that I need to do to put the lace exactly where I want it to be. Not too far back, not too far forward. Then I press into my skin with the tip of the comb or the back of the comb. I don't really know how to describe it, but you see what I'm doing here. Okay? So, once I have the lace in place where I want it to be, I go back and I apply more glue at the tip of the lace where my lace and my forehead meet, I guess. So I'm applying more glue here, thin layers, small increments, and I just wait until the glue turns clear before I press it into my skin. I also keep my scissors and my towel and my alcohol close for any cleanup that I might need to do. Okay. Other side, I'm getting some more glue and I'm doing thin layers, small increments, and I'm just gonna again wait till that turns clear before I press the lace into my skin. Okay? And those thin, small increments of glue, it's gonna go a long way. It just makes it easier to deal with, less mess, all the things. Okay, so you see me getting all the flyaways out of the way, and then I'm pressing the lace into my skin. Take your time and get those flyaways out of the way. Keep your alcohol and your towel close. Clean up any flyaway lace. That happens with reinstalls. You'll have like excess lace. Just clean it all off while you're doing it. Go back in and clean up any like over bleached pieces. I'm just using a black like magic permanent marker or whatever, and I go in and I clean that up as well. Now I'm going to place my part, right? And you guys know what I'm doing. You just put it where you want it to go. And then I'm going to take some makeup and I'm just going to make it a little bit more crisp, right? Once I do that, I'm going to go back in with my towel and my alcohol and clean up the any excess makeup. So if you get too much makeup on your closure hair, just wipe it off, right? A small tip that'll go a long way as far as detail and the clean and crispness of your install. This too, taking that L'Oreal color spray and cleaning up that hairline or that part line just to make sure it's nice and crisp and there's no over bleached pieces or anything like that goes a long way. Okay. Now, this is the really important part, and it's sewing the unit down. Sew the entire perimeter of the unit down. So this is a 5x5. Where the closure stops, start sewing. And sew all the way until you get to the other side of the unit where the closure starts again. Okay? You also can sew around the perimeter of the closure. So think you're getting a closure sew in. You sew the closure down to your braids. So where the wig cap and the closure meet, sew that portion of the unit down to your braids, and that's going to secure it and keep it in place in addition to the glue. And it's just gonna, I'm telling you, working out is not moving. When it's not sewn down, I don't know, the wig is just a free for all. It's bound to slide back, it's bound to do whatever it wants to do. But when you sew it down, I'm telling you, it goes a long way. It'll keep the wig where you want it to be and allow you to have it on your head a little bit longer before you have to completely take it off and reinstall it. Okay? So now you just see me going in and I'm doing some wand curls. I typically do this on the day that I do the install because it'll last me another 3 or 4 days. If I do this on Sunday, I might not have to curl my hair again until Wednesday, Thursday, towards the end of the week. And for me, it's about convenience. I want to be able to go to the gym, do my 45 on the Stairmaster, and also have dinner plans in the same day without having to start from scratch with my hair. That creates a lifestyle that I'm not trying to live. Not trying to be imprisoned by my hair. So, yeah, once I do my curls, I'm good to go. there are some things that you should do as far as like maintaining the install and wrapping your hair when you go to the gym, and making sure it's dry before you take it off. I can do a separate video on that if you want more details on exactly what I do to make sure I can go the full 2 weeks. Um, but yeah, this is my go-to. It's the easiest way to make sure that I have nice hair and I'm able to go to the gym because I like to go to the gym. So that's just, I had to figure out how to do both. So if you made it this far, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Comment below. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want to see anything else related to this or not. And have a good day. See you guys next time. Bye.